Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Okay, guys, I am here to do the botanical tree. This is an oldie but goodie that's being revived this holiday season. We're all living under the same conditions, so we are recycling. This tree contains very large picks, as you saw, the fruit, and then we have the burlap bow, and also there is a large vine type pick that is inserted into the tree. This tree is pretty hardy, guys. It has additional picks on it as well, like red berries, and it has other branches already built into it, so I don't have to do as much. It's so thick. It's sometimes frustrating when it comes to decorating it. Now, this is Thanksgiving Day, and my son and husband are watching the football game. So basically, I decided to capture this footage during the game, and that was it. So pretty simple tree to decorate, just has picks all over it. I lost a lot of them since I stored the picks in the attic. The heat melted, or shall I say, fused some of them together. So what I could salvage, I did to get this tree done. These boxes or shoe boxes, they're recycled year after year. They're wrapped in brown paper because it covers up all of the labels. And then I also come back and put wrapping paper, real wrapping paper on them so that there's always something pretty under the tree that matches the Christmas tree. So at the end of the year, take the paper off and then recycle all over again. But yeah, you've seen me do these year after year after year. I love this trick. So if you're struggling with just the blank spaces under the tree, that's an option for you. This tree is pretty easy to decorate. I never stress about it because no matter what I insert into it, it fills up the space very quickly. And the lights I prefer to be white. My son says multicolored, and I don't mind that. Besides, when they turn blue, the blue looks like blueberry. So that's an extra fruit that's on the tree from the lights. But that's it. That's how easy it is to decorate this tree. Well, if you're not a subscriber, I hope you will consider doing so today. And press the bell so you will be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. So I'm going to go ahead and share the tree in the living room with you so you'll see what else I've been up to. Finally getting into the trenches and getting Christmas decor up. It's been a struggle to get motivated to do it, but I know you can relate to that. So please, thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer. Please wear a mask and stay creative.